So now that we've gone through some of the different examples of individual versus class evidence, and we said individual evidence has to have something to match it back to. Class evidence is evidence that you can put into a group or a category. The similarity between both of them is that they both can eliminate suspects. This is an important part of individual versus class evidence. They're both used to eliminate suspects. If your individual evidence doesn't match back, say you find a fingerprint at a crime scene, you have your suspect, you 10-print card them, and none of their fingerprints match, you know that they're not your suspect for your crime, right? The same thing works with class evidence. If I find type B blood at my crime scene and I pick up my suspect and they have type A blood, I know that they're not the person that was there and they're eliminated from my crime scene list. So the important thing that both individual and class evidence do together is that they can eliminate suspects from your, from your crime scene list.